The Embroidery Connect capability allows you to wirelessly transfer designs from Embroidery Studio to USB-enabled embroidery machines. Machine files are automatically generated and sent via a standard Wi-Fi network to an Embroidery Connect device plugged into a compatible machine. Setting up an Embroidery Connect network is easy. A single device is required for each embroidery machine. A dedicated network PC acts as the hub and runs the Embroidery Hub software. All devices are configured to the Embroidery Hub PC. All secondary PCs access the Embroidery Connect network via the Embroidery Hub. Embroidery Connect setup. Ensure the Hub PC has an active internet connection and start Embroidery Hub from the program group or desktop. Click Add New Embroidery Connect and follow the setup wizard prompts. Connect the cable to the USB-C port located at the top of the device. Connect the other end to the Embroidery Hub PC. Ensure all lights are in setup mode. When the power LED is solid green and the Wi-Fi LED is flashing blue, the device has finished booting. Click Next when the button becomes available. When prompted, select your Wi-Fi network and click Next. Enter the Wi-Fi password and click Next. Identify the Embroidery Connect device and specify output options. Give the device a unique name associated with the connected machine. Specify the machine file type for the selected machine. Design files sent to the device will be converted on the fly to this format. The other fields are purely descriptive to help identify the machine associated with the EC device. Click Finish and wait for the EC device to connect to the network and Embroidery Hub. The blue Wi-Fi LED will flash and then turn solid blue when connected. Connection takes about 60 seconds, depending on network traffic. The EC device comes with 3D mounting strips to attach it. Once configured, remove the device from the Embroidery Hub PC and connect it to the target machine. Again, ensure all lights return to ready mode. Basic device settings. Once devices are set up and connected, you can modify them at any time. Double-click the device icon in the main window to access settings. Access the Info tab to modify details provided during the setup procedure. Here you can change device name, output file type, and other details. The Design tab provides options for handling design transfers. If the machine is used for cap designs, tick the option to rotate the design by 180 degrees on output. By default, designs stay on the device unless you remove them in the Manage Designs window. When this option is unticked, they're automatically cleared from the device. Use the Replace Design on Barcode Read Request option to delete all existing designs on the device before transferring the scanned design. Access the Delete tab to remove a selected EC device from Embroidery Hub. Sending designs to EC device. Open Embroidery Studio and load the design or designs you want to send to Embroidery Connect. Select the Send to Embroidery Connect icon. The dialog will show a list of named devices connected to the network. Choose your preferred device and click OK. The design will be automatically converted to the corresponding machine file format and sent to the EC device. Here it can be loaded into machine memory for stitching. To view designs sent to a chosen EC device, open Settings and click the Manage Designs button. A list of designs pending production is displayed. Here you create new folders and rename or delete designs as necessary. Pushing designs to design queue. When you push a design to a queue, you don't know or care which machine it gets stitched on. Larger production environments may prefer to use this method. Open Embroidery Studio and load the design or designs you want to send to Embroidery Hub. Click the Queue Design icon. Repeat for all designs you want to queue up in preparation for production. Click the Design Queue tab to view queued designs in Embroidery Hub. Here you can delete designs as necessary. Tick the checkbox if you want designs deleted from Q when reading the barcode. On the machine itself, pull designs to the EC device by means of a barcode reader attached to the USB port. Scan the barcode printed on the production worksheet. The design will be pulled from the Q to the EC device. Here it can be loaded into machine memory for production.